Hey you guys, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. This is the continuation of naming ceremony of our baby girl. So this would be the cradling ceremony video. In the previous episode, you saw that we named our baby girl, and after that, we proceeded with the cradling ceremony. So here's the glimpse from the previous episode. The naming ceremony begins here. Guruji is writing the name in the plate full of rice with the gold ring. So the baby's month Masanama is Tulasi.
G C S.
As per horoscope, the name was to be starting from G, C, or S. The first name is Gauravi. Vyavahara Nama is official name which will go on all records. The official name is Gayatri. So there is a secret name called Gupta Nama which is just between the father and daughter, it seems. My father-in-law has to name the child. My father-in-law named the baby as Janani and my mother-in-law named Rudrakshi. My father named the baby Kamakshi. My mother named the baby Ahalya. My cousin brother Arun Kamath, the mama of the baby, named the baby as Priya. My father's sister Vandana Nayak, the baby's grandmother, named her as Gana.
ओम श्री कुलदेवताभ्यो नमः जननी जन्म सौख्यान वर्धनी कुल संपदा पदवी पूर्व पुण्यान वक्षति नामपत्रिका आदौ कुलदेवता नाम श्री महालसा नारायणी दासी जन्मकालीन मास नाम तुलसी नक्षत्र नाम गौरवी व्यवहारिका नाम गायत्री गुप्त नाम अज्ज जननी अजय रुद्राक्षी कामाक्षी अहल्या प्रिया गण
So this video was all about naming ceremony of our baby. Yes, our baby has 12 names, the official name being Gayatri. And this is the preparation for the cradling ceremony. This is all the jewelry from the maternal and paternal side which we will be gifting to the baby. This is from my father's side. We have anklets and gold bangle and a necklace. And this is my husband's side. We have gold bangles, anklets and gold chain. These are all the gifts that my parents gifted the baby. There is gold necklace, there is silver anklets, gold bangles, and silver palladi and earrings also. In this ritual, the baby's grandmother, that is father's mother, who's my mother-in-law, will apply kajal to the baby. So we don't apply kajal till the 12th day of cradling ceremony. On the cradling ceremony day, my mother-in-law will apply kajal to the head and the tika basically on the cheeks and on the forehead. And after that, they are supposed to gift a new dress to the baby. This is my cousin Arun Kamath, who is the mama of the baby. So the mama will hold the baby and do the ear piercing tradition. This is done on the 12th day. We do the ear piercing and then put the baby into the cradle. This is a very heartbreaking moment for every mother, I guess. Every mother will relate with me that when they pierce the baby's ears and it cries inconsolably, oh my god, the heart just aches because you are helpless and the baby is crying out of pain. Oh my god. In our house, anyways, I was feeling bad. It was my father who was feeling the worst. He just couldn't stop, he couldn't control himself. He just went out of the house and he was like, oh my god, I can't bear the pain. And after the ritual, there's a tradition of putting a little bit of sugar grain into the mouth of the baby. We did that with a little bit of honey, a very little drop of honey into the baby's mouth. Maybe that was the old age tradition of calming down a baby who was crying inconsolably to the pain. Then me, my husband and the baby are made to sit, and the mother and mother-in-law give Arshina Tambula Vonti, as we call it. And this is my mother who is doing the same set of rituals too again. This is called Sheshe Aarti, basically Aarti which is shown to the mother and the father and the baby. Generally, all traditions are done by the husband side first, but magically this time the mother's side was asked to do the rituals first. So here's my father putting gold bangles to the baby. This is a necklace which my parents put to the baby. My brother Arun Anna puts the silver anklets called wallow to the baby's legs. So it's the mama's rights to do this to the baby. My husband put this drishti kankan, drishti bangles to the baby. My husband also put this Paulak auntie, that is coral necklace, to the coral chain to the baby. My father-in-law gifted silver anklets to the baby, and my mother-in-law gifted silver hip chain. After all the gifting ceremony, we began the cradling ceremony. First, this stone called Balabhadra is put into the cradle. So it is put and taken out by mother and mother-in-law. That is both the grandmothers of the baby inside the cradle. The stone is put and taken out 5 times by the grandmothers of the baby. And finally, the baby is put to cradle. And the baby is crying like a goat. Meh, meh. This is a tradition where the older kids who come to attend the cradling ceremony, their back is made, they're lifted and their back is made to touch the cradle, and then it's done 3 4 times, and then they are also hit on the backs. I am not sure what is the significance of this. If you know, let me know in the comments. The official name of the baby is Gayatri. We read out all the 12 names that we had put during the Barso ceremony. My mother, being a big devotee of Lord Krishna, named the baby as Madhavi. And here are some cute pictures from the cradling ceremony. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Lots of love to all of you. I have hidden my baby's face as I am not comfortable revealing my child's face. I am not sure when I will be comfortable, so I'm sorry about that. Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new, please do subscribe. If you like the video, hit that like button. Do let me know in the comments if you also put a stone called Balabhadra into the cradle before putting the baby. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.